Hey dear friend, this is Liam from Chengchuan Shandong HeavyTruck Co Limited. Today I am pleased to introduce to you our used 6x4 dump truck for customers in Tanzania. It comes with new tires, new interior, and new buckets. Ensuring a more cost-effective solution. The engine, gearbox, and mid-rear axle are all original in excellent condition. We performed a thorough maintenance, changing filters, oil, and taking care of any easily damaged parts. We also offer customization options to meet your specific needs. If you need such a reliable and efficient truck, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for considering Chengchuan Shandong HeavyTruck Co Limited.